Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with PR. I hope you all are doing great. If you want to master data structures from the basics to advanced, this playlist is going to be super helpful for you. We have already completed array and linked a list with all operations in data structure. So if you have not watched that playlist yet, go and check it out first. Link is in the description. And make sure you like the video, comment your doubts, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with Priya. We have already covered overview of stack in the top right corner. Check the link. Watch it first. In this video, we are going to implement a stack using array with class in C++ step by step. This program implements a stack using array of fixed size. We perform all basic operations like push, pop, peek, and display. So let's check it out. So in this, I am creating a function and we will create a class first, right? Inside it, we will make a member functions. All right. I'm creating first class stack. All right. Here we are creating class with the private members. Okay. With the private members. All right. Now in this, I am creating array. Okay. I'm writing here max. As I'm saying max size. So we have to declare max size. First, I am declaring here global define we are doing as with the help of define keyword that you can say definition section. Okay. Inside I'm writing a max name, okay, and giving value like this. So this is how we can define, okay, max value. All right, I'm creating one more top. What is this top? Top is a basically from one end only we have to perform insertion and deletion. Push and pop we have to perform only in a one end, that we can say top. Okay, right now there is no element, that means top is -1. I am writing this thing in a public section with the help of constructor. Okay, default constructor I'm creating default constructor as top -1. So top right now -1, that means there is no element. Okay, now let's create a function. I'm creating a function named void push. Push means inserting it. Int value I'm writing. Okay, whatever value I will call, that will print, that will be stored in the linked list, oh sorry, in a stack. Okay, so we have completed linked list. Okay, there was a lot of operations now. So each types I have already covered. So four types. So 4 and 5 operations are there. Okay, so we have done already. Okay, now let's come back to this topic. That's push. We have to do push, right? So we have to check our top. If the top is equal to max -1. Okay, max -1 is what? That you are saying max -1 is a number of elements you have inside array. The number of elements we have given 5. So 5 n -1, that is max -1. So it will, as you know, array will start from 0 index. So 0 until max -1 it will go. Okay. So if top is equal to max -1, that means there is no capacity to hold new elements in array, right? This is how we are saying. So just write down C out, stack is full. Or you can say stack overflow. Overflow condition I have already discussed in my previous video. Please check that video. Okay, so this is a top is equal to max -1. That means stack is overflow. We can't hold a new value. But if it is false, then we have to insert, है ना, हमें इंसर्ट करना है, बट हमें उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, टॉप को इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा एक एक करके. सो टॉप प्लस प्लस वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ टॉप. Okay, once we have increased the value of top, then we have to place the value in the top as well, whatever the top value we have. So right now top is -1. So when you will increase it +1, that means top becomes 0. So in a0 you have to give that value whatever you are providing in a parameter. Okay, so you will say arr top will get the value. All right, so this is how we can do it. Like I am writing here a diagram for you. Here we have stack. This is a stack. Okay, So right now you are saying stack is minus, stop is -1. So -1 you are writing like this. Okay, done. When you will call this push, you will say 10 value. 10 value will, it will first check this one, the condition become false. So top will increase. Top, when it will increase, that means top becomes 0. Here is top. Okay, top become 0. All right, when top becomes 0, then it will say ARR top. ARR 0 may provide that value. Suppose you are writing 10. So 10 will go in this location. All right, done. Okay. Now again, when you will call this push and will provide 20 value, suppose you are saying 20 value. Okay. Then top will again increase. Top become 1. Here now top. Okay. Top become 1. Then you will say 20 value, suppose like this, 30, like this, 40. Okay. So it will again increase 1 by 1. So top become 3 now. Top become 4. That means you have, this is the top. Okay, you can say 5 elements already there, now 50. So this how you can insert. So it, when you will insert a new element, top will increase 1 by 1. So top is right now this 4. This condition satisfied. Top is equal to 4. Now if you want to insert 60, 60 will not insert, add, it will say overflow. Okay, so this is how we can write it. If you have any doubt, please write in the chat box. Okay, so this is a simple one. Okay, now done. Okay, so here we are writing array top will get the value of whatever value you will insert. Now I'm simple writing a simple statement as, you can say value, whatever value you have written, it's insert actually. Okay, so you can say pushed into stack. Done. See how we can write it. This is a simple insertion, how you can insert in a stack. If you have any doubt, please write comment. Okay, so this is how we can insert. Now we have to display it. So I am displaying it. Now how we can display, we have to take the maximum value. If suppose if you are saying top is equal to -1. All right, if top is equal to -1, that means what, stack is empty. Stack is empty means आपने कोई element insert ही नहीं किया है, right? So this is how you can say top is -1. Okay, but if not, else you will write. Okay, so we have to do stack overflow. Done, right? So we have to not overflow, stack is empty. You have done stack is empty here -1 way, and you have to now write stack elements. So what are the elements you have written in a stack? So you have to do it. How we can do it? So you have for loop, use for loop. Okay, now for loop will start from where and it will end. How we can say? So we know our stack looks like as this. This is our stack. Okay, so here you are writing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so this is your top here. This is a fourth index. Fourth index here, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so how you will say the elements inside your inside the stack? So we have to start from top now. Do we have to start from 0? No. We have to start from top. Top know all things. So whatever top value is 4. So you will start from top, means I will be from top, that means 4, and it will go till 0 now, equal to 0. You can say. Okay. We will not go -1. -1 this already covered. We have covered if the top is -1, that means what? Stack is empty. But we have to go from the top to till 0, you can say. Okay. Just write down. Here I'm writing I will start from top. Okay, and I will greater than equal, if the I is greater than equal to 0, it will go till 0 equal to I am written. Okay, I am writing written 0 tak, है ना, include 0 as well. So and I will decrease, sorry, we don't need to write plus plus, we have to decrease it as I will, sorry, top will decrease, है ना, top will decrease 1 by 1, then we can print the value of it. How we can print now? Simply write C out. Simply write C out. Okay, and ARRI. Okay, and yes, you can give a little space between two elements. Okay, this is how we can say it. So this is how you can insert, and this is how you can insert, and this is how you can display. Okay, now let's erase it first. All right, now I am now, okay. So here I am creating class object. Let's create stack. I'm writing S1. Okay. Now call function, call this push function. When you will call push, so we have to call with the help of object S1 dot push, and we have to assign some value. I'm writing 10. Okay. We are again now displaying it. Display kar lo. Now run this code. So when you S2 nahi hai, S1 hai. Just write down S1. Run this again. Okay. So when you will run this, you will see 10 pushed into stack. Okay. It will, this line, this line is calling. Okay. We are calling this line 10 pushed into stack. So give a little bit of space, /n. All right. And top is empty. And then stack element /n 10. Okay. Right now the element is 10. Now, if I want to have a more elements, okay, I'm writing S1 dot push 20. Okay, I'm saying S1 dot push 30, 40, 50, you know, call it. So you will see, yes, it will say 10 post into stack, 20 post, 30 post, right? You have inserted already. Now stack elements look like 30, 20 and 10. So 30 will be the first which you want to display. That we can say in a stack. Last in, first out. So last जो भी रहेगा, from that only you have to print all the elements. Okay. So this is how you can do push. Okay. This is a simple one. Push. If you want to do pop, what is pop? Pop means deletion. When you want to delete element, जब आपको delete करना होता है element को, okay, that time we have to do pop. So how we can do pop? So first we have to check top is equal to -1 or not. If the top is -1, that means what? You can't delete any element. So top underflow, you can say top is -1. That means stack underflow. All right. Now let's check out how we can write it. So I am writing here a function void pop. Pop means delete. We don't need to give any value inside it, as we need to delete it. Okay, so we have to check if top is equal to -1. That means what? That means cout stack underflow. Stack underflow. Okay, slash. So this means what? That we are saying right now pop is -1, so stack underflow. All right. Now if this condition become false, okay, so if the condition become false, so we have to write in a else part. I'm writing else. I'm writing else. Okay, cout. I'm simply writing here stack element popped. Popped means that we deleted. How we can delete? Just do pop minus minus. Just do top minus minus. Okay. हमें क्या करना है? Top minus minus हमें करना है. That means we will reduce our top. Okay. So here we will do top minus minus. Now, once you have inserted, once you have display, then do S1 dot pop. Okay. and then again display. Again display s1 dot display function. Okay, slash n you can also write if you want to. Run this code. So here 10, 20, 30 popped. Okay, sorry, pushed, and then stack element this one. Okay, these are the stack element. Okay, now stack element popped. Now stack element looks like this. So stack element popped, ये कहाँ पे हुआ? ये यहाँ पे हुआ, यहाँ पे. So यहाँ पे आप slash n लगा लो. Okay, and which value you have done that popped? So you can also write that thing. आप कैसे लिखोगे? अच्छा पहले लिख लो. Here ARR top. Okay, you can write and oh ठीक है, इसमें स्लैशर मत दो फिर. यहाँ पे दे सकते हो, पर चलो ठीक है, यू कैन राइट हियर ऑल्सो. Okay, now run this code. So this is how you can say. So 10, 20, 30 pushed, insert हो गया. Now stack elements are these. 30 stack element pushed. So stack का 30 element popped हो गया, sorry. Okay, that you can see elements now left as 30, 20 and 10 only. When you want to insert, when you want to delete, this is how you can read and insert with the help of push and pop operation that you have to do yourself. Okay, these steps I have already covered in my previous video. Please check that video first. All right, so this is how we can do it. There's more operations as well. We can check the element at the topmost. Okay, at the topmost stack element we can check. How we can check? With the help of function name as peak. Okay, so we can create peak element, peak function. How we can peak? Means we will simply write top element as array top, and we can do means calling it. Okay, so I am writing also here a function void peak. So first we have to check the same scenario. If the condition is, if the top you can say is -1, then stack is empty. But else you can say, if the condition is not okay, then please write the top element. So you can say here slash n top element. How you can write top element? From that ARR top. Okay, and write down enter. Done. Simple function. टॉप के मतलब जो एरे का टॉप होगा, दैट विल बी द टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट ना. सो आई एम कॉलिंग नाउ आफ्टर दिस. Copy it, paste here. Now write down here peak. Okay, displaying. Now run this code. So again topmost element, so we don't need to do any display है ना, display करवाने की क्या जरूरत है. So run this code. So here 10, 20, 30 insert, we have insert pushed, we have done. Elements are these. 30 you deleted. Okay, this is now element. These elements we have. Now top element is 20. So this is how we can say whatever the top is pointing the particular element, that will be a top element. So in a ARR TOP you have to write simple as that. Okay, you can also you can also have a function name as is empty function. You can say, you have to say the thing that the elements, you don't have elements in the array, in the stack. Okay, in the stack you don't have any elements, that means your stack is empty. So simple condition you can try, we have done already that thing. Okay, if you want to say stack is full, for that also you can say. Okay, means these two condition I told you, for this is for what, empty है, so you can't delete. आपको चेक करना है कि आपका स्टैक इज एम्प्टी और फुल, सो फॉर दैट यू कैन से फुल कब होगा, फुल आपके इसमें होगा जब आपका यहाँ जब आपका top is equal to max minus 1, that you can say stack overflow means stack is full. You can simply write these condition. Okay, ये भी लिख सकते हो आप, और इससे भी आपका काम हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so this is a simple one. If you want to write with the help of function, you can do it. Okay, आप लिख सकते हो इसको, इसके अंदर भी लिख सकते हो, like this condition we are talking about for this one here. So void function you can write, okay, is full function I'm writing. Okay, write a condition if top is equal to max minus 1. Okay, that means stack is full. Simply write is full. Okay, if it is not, then it will return, so write down here return. Done. Okay, I'm writing a simple function void is empty. What is empty means stack is empty. The condition is again that what, top is equal to minus 1. If the top is equal to minus 1, that means stack is empty. Okay, simple like that. And if it is not, otherwise it will return. This is a simple one. Call here. If it is not, if it is, then it will call. It will call accordingly. You can call it here. Okay, so this is a simple stack. Okay, ये simple stack operations है, push, pop, peek, and is empty, is full. If you like this concept, understand this concept, please like the video, share it with your friends. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, we will see how we can implement stack using linked list. So please check that before linked list, how we can create it so that you will understand it well. Okay, so this is a simple scenario how you can create stack using array. Okay, we'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Okay, and keep practicing. Thank you.